Hey guys, how you guys doing? Hey, on my last video, I came off a little, I don't know, a little weird, snobbish, whatever, while I was doing the cabinets. I started talking about subscriptions, and I mentioned something about not begging for them or something like that. And you know what? I watched that video after I uploaded it, and I instantly regretted doing that. And I think that I need to apologize for my actions. There's a lot of good creators out there on YouTube that are, you know, they make their living off of their YouTube content, and there's good content out there. And there's nothing wrong with asking for a subscription occasionally, you know, and you know, to ring the bell or subscribe, whatever. And you know, that's just the way things are. That's how YouTube works. And I would really like to apologize for my comment. I meant nothing by it. I was kind of talking about me and my goofing around here and stuff. So I just wanted to get that off my chest and get this thing straightened out a little bit, okay? So hope there's no hard feelings out there. But anyway, speaking of regrets, I have also regretted putting this Danish oil on this thing because I have put it on too thick and I didn't wipe it off. I thought maybe, you know, a little extra in there would soak in really good, you know, and look great. And make sure if you use this stuff to put it on, then wipe it off with a rag. And, you know, put multiple coats that way if you want to get more on it. But what it ended up doing is making it kind of splotchy. Here, I'll show it to you. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, it's kind of splotchy. It's got shiny spots in it and stuff. So I've been in here sanding it down. And also it took 3 days to dry. That's one of the reasons I haven't uploaded a video or anything like that, because one thing, I was kind of embarrassed by my comments and didn't know really. You had to get up the courage to get on here. You know, you got to admit when you're wrong and you do something stupid. But I did 2 things stupid in a row, so I'm back in here sanding off all this Wadco Danish oil that I put on this, and I'm going to have to redo it, and this time wipe it with a rag, and I hope it comes out good. Otherwise, I'm going to have to let it dry again and maybe go over it with a urethane or something. Yeah, goofing up all over the place here. Okay, so I'll catch you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I've completely sanded and refinished this whole interior. Now it looks nice and even. It's done with a semi-gloss, and here, I'll show you what I used. That's what I used on it right there. Oil-based polyurethane semi-gloss. Yeah, but it sure came out a lot nicer. It's all nice and even now. Shows up the wood grain really good. Yeah, I redid all of this too. That sidewall right there. And I did all that again. And the front of this cabinet. I still need to do the end. I'm going to do the base of that, the floor of that. Then I need to open up this cabinet here and get all the sides on it. And looks like I need to get in there on that side and these 2 sides too. That's going to get a big black rubber mat in it, so I don't think I'm going to do either with this one. I may end up, if I have extra, I will do it. But that's where I'm at right now. So I'll talk to you guys in a few. Hello everybody. Yeah, it's toward the evening now, and I've been working out here all day. I put a second coat on this cabinet, and now it all looks really uniform again. And I coated the end of this cabinet. It looks good now. You see like the burly stuff in it now. And yeah, I went ahead and did the bottom in here where the refrigerator is going to go. And I did all up here again. Got this all evened out, looking good. And up here I found a pencil line. And I had to sand it off, and I recoated that area there too. So yeah, it's been a busy day. I've biked for probably about 8 miles. I went for a long walk along the shore cliffs up there at the park, looking over the ocean. And I've been out shopping, and I'm so stoved up right now, it's not even funny. So I'm going to go ahead and lock this thing up, and I'm going to see you guys tomorrow morning. So good night, everyone. Well, good morning, everybody. This is the second day now. I had to let everything dry off. I came in and I finished that panel right there and the back panel. And I'm just using the oil on the inside of the cabinets since I have some left over. And I'm just going to finish that all off in oil, and I'm being careful to wipe it off so it all looks nice and even. And I did the inside of this wall and the inside of that wall too. Oh, and I put a liner in up here. That's a rubber liner for toolboxes. Really good for anti-skid, keep things from moving around while you're going down the road. And also, I'll show you what else I did. Stubborn. Let's see. There we go. I did the inside of the bed. Yeah, I got all this done in here. So I'm ready for my mattresses. And my mattresses should be showing up today. I bought 6-inch trifold mattresses. One for that bed right there in a queen, and one for this one in a twin. And the reason I went with the trifold mattress is they come with a color-coded, real tough little surface on them that can be used for sitting on or whatever when your bed isn't made. And also I can, when I'm getting into these hatches I have in here, I can fold it up into a nice compact size. And it gives me more access and more ability to move things around inside the bus here. And well, that's what I'm doing now. Got everything drying. I need to go down and get me another liner for this one. And I can put on my straps to hold the mattress in now. I have a couple of nylon straps. I'm going to go ahead and put those in too. All right, I just kind of catching up with you a little bit. A little better spirits today. And I'll see you in a few. Hey, good afternoon, everyone. I'm going to give you a little preview of what I've been doing here at the storage area, the upper one above the bunk. And I put a liner down below there, and right there in front of the windows, I'm going to go ahead and cap it with a piece of channel aluminum, kind of like the same stuff I have on the doors here, capping the doors. See how it caps it all the way around? So I'm going to go ahead and do the back edges by the window where the light will hit it, so it doesn't deteriorate the plywood back there. And I'm going to put a couple more braces coming up from the underside back there, up against the wall, right in between the windows there, and run right here, and one down there over there. So, but anyway, I put these little boxes in up here too, and they're kind of neat little boxes. They're temporary boxes, little fold-out boxes. See, they got a little liner in them, and they can fold up if you want them to and stash away. You know, if you want to use the shelf for something else, and you can hide them away. They don't weigh anything, but they fit right in there. And I got a big row in the back. See, they're a little bit bigger boxes, a little bit taller. And I went ahead and ran them all the way across the front here. And they're taller on this side. They're two rows of tall ones here, see? So you can get a lot of storage inside all these little boxes. Put clothes in there, towels, food, whatever you want in there. But I was thinking probably this would be a good area to keep clothes in, up here above the bed. And I also built bought some boxes for this too. Whoops. I already got some stuff in that one. But you can see they're pretty deep up there. These boxes are slightly larger. And I'm going to go ahead and put that back up there, I think. Oops. Got to turn it the right way. Keep things looking all pretty. But those will stay in there really nice. They won't shift around. They won't make any noise. And over here, above the sink in the kitchen, I've also put a row of these boxes. And you can see down below that I put a liner on there. It's a rubber liner. So these won't be shifting around or making any noise either. And this one also has a liner under it. If you look there, you can see it under there, the black liner. Yeah. So I just wanted to give you a little preview of that. And my video is getting kind of long, so I'm going to end this one. And when I come back, I'll be showing you the new mattresses. And they're gray, kind of this color. They should match in this color, this decor really well. So right now we're wood, gray, and black. So I need to get some accent coloring in here, and you know, doll this place up a little bit. I can put Tiki Man up here now. See, Tiki Man. Then I can put my pad down there for when the stools are in, the black pad. And I've also been toying with something else too. Some type of roll down blind. I just bought one of these and I'm just checking it out a little bit. See, it's got I put a rod in the bottom of it and screwed it in. And that would be the inside. That'd be the outside, and it's reflective. So it would hold out heat and sun rays. And this would be on the outside. I mean on the inside. You know, the decorative part. But I was thinking about making some type of Roman shade where that would roll up. But you know, I'm still working on this. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. So we'll have to see on that. But anyway, I'm going to call an end to this video because it's time I add it all together. It's going to get long, and we'll come back with the new bed. Okay? I'll talk to you guys in a little while. Hi, Rubes. He's really been unhappy with me since I put the all the stuff on the wood in here. He doesn't like the smell in here. He comes in, he cries at me, then leaves. I've ruined his bus. He's not happy at all with me. I just thought you guys would like to see that. Okay, I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye-bye.